Hello guys, welcome to Cyberman243 Offshore YouTube channel. In this video, we are gonna go through how to reset any Windows password so easily in just 5 minutes. Now what we wanna do is, I just wanna change this button's action. Like when I click on this one, it has to take me to CMD. So by that, when I have CMD, it means I have this computer, I can do anything I want. But for now, let's restart. First, you have to boot a Windows, it can be 7 or 10, a Windows to flash. After that, type flash into computer and start your computer. Now, we go to boot menu, enter F9, boot device options and click. Here, I go to Windows installation. In Windows 7, you just can go to repair mode and reset your password, like just by turning off your computer 3 times. After that, it will take you to repair menu. So by that, you will be able to reset your Windows password, but it will work just in Windows 7. In Windows 10, repair mode doesn't work because you don't have that much ability to reset your password. So because of that, you have to come to Windows installation. Here we have install now, and here we have repair your computer. Now your Windows is loaded according to your flash, not according to your computer. This is how it works. Like in Windows 10, repair mode doesn't work because your Windows is loaded according to your computer. Now let's go Windows 10, load drives. Here it is. You have a graphical interface. We will have the same thing with Windows 10 installation too. Come to your computer, here data C. Sorry, here is not my... Yeah, here local disk and Windows. Come to... And here just find CMD. Here you can see. And also util man here. This is the same application that when you click the button that we did talk about in the first seconds of the video, when you click this button, it will take you to this application. Here you can see I just want to change it to rename utilman.old. Now let's go to CMD. CMD here. Just copy it and Control V. This one will be changed to like utilman. So by that, like when you click that button, that button will take you to utilman. And now utilman is the name of CMD. Like F5, so it will be refreshed. Now let's cancel it. Cancel. Let's go back. Yeah, close it. Now we can go to our Windows. Now here you can see when I click on this one, the CMD will be open. Here we have our CMD. Just let's add Nate user. Here you can see we have all our users, like administrator, default account, that's a guest one, and like I can add like Nate user. I want to give a name for it like hacker and /add. Enter. The command completed successfully. Now if I restart my computer, a new user will be here. And also I can change this user's password like net user, and here add Kali. I think it's uppercase, Kali and Skull. Enter. Here you can change the password. For security purpose, you can't see it. Like I can add 1 2 3 4. Enter. 1 2 3 4. Enter. Now the command completed successfully. Now if I go here 1 2 3 4, enter. Here you can see now my password is received. Now you can see I'm inside my BitGames account. Now I want to restart to show you that my new user that I created is there or not. Here you can see we are inside. Here we have our new user, hacker, because we didn't add any password for it, so it doesn't have any password. We clicked and now you're inside it. When you create a new user, these things will come generate. You can wait for it and it's done. Now you can see it's so easy to hack or reset anyone's Windows password so easy. For more videos, just subscribe our channel, like this video, click the bell button, and thank you so much guys.